In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Hostinger balance. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your browser and navigating to the Hostinger control panel, often called H panel. This is where you manage websites, domains, and payments, so make sure you're signed in to the correct Hostinger account before you begin. Signing in is usually straightforward with your email and password, and once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard for your hosting services. From the dashboard, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. The interface groups account-related actions together, so find the option labeled Billing. Click on Billing to open the Payment and Financial area. This section centralizes invoices, subscriptions, and payment history, so it's the natural place to confirm anything related to money in your Hostinger account. Within the Billing area, locate the Payment Methods option. Selecting payment methods will bring up the different ways you have set up to pay Hostinger, such as credit cards, PayPal, or other supported gateways. This view also includes the account balance or credits that Hostinger shows for your profile. Take a moment to scan the screen carefully. You'll usually see a dedicated balance area that lists the current funds, any active promotional credits, and sometimes the expiration dates for those credits. When you find the Hostinger balance area, review the numbers displayed. The balance reflects any prepaid funds and active credits that can be applied toward future invoices or renewals. Credits may come from refunds, promotions, or account top-ups. If you rely on recurring payments, checking this balance periodically helps avoid unexpected service interruptions. A couple of practical tips. If the balance doesn't look right, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in to ensure the dashboard is showing the latest information. If credits or payments are missing, compare the amounts with your recent invoices in the billing section, or check your payment method entries for successful transactions. Keep an eye on credit expiration dates so you don't lose promotional funds. That's it. Open H panel, go to Billing, choose Payment Methods, and check the Hostinger balance area to see your current funds and active credits. Following these simple steps will give you a clear picture of your Hostinger finances and help you manage renewals and payments with confidence.